Hey guys, very quick video because Canadian Bubba is stressing out over the installation of my front crank seal. So here's what we've got. So this is the old one. Okay, now take note, see these little indents all the way around? This was in that way, okay? And I know it was in that way because it goes in like that, and I had to hammer it out from the back. Okay? And it's got that protruding lip. Hold on a second, my radiator's trying to escape. Behave. Okay, where were we? So, as I say, we've got these little marks. It was definitely in that way, okay? Here's the new one. We have these little marks, okay? You see the little grooves that were all the way around? There they are there. Okay, if I turn it over, where I bashed it outwards, I'll turn this over. You see this lip here? That's that one there that's been mashed. Okay, so in order to get the new one out, I would have to bash that all around there, which is what happened here. I'll just confirm one more time on the front face. Okay, are we good? Can we proceed? I'm in the middle of doing my heads at the moment. Well, the heads are on, they're torqued up, and I'm about to carry on with the rest. So I don't know if I'll have that video tonight, but we're getting close to some sort of start up in the next couple of days. Right, see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.